So I was kind of thinking about atheism, and I realized that they're just a nonprofit organization. Hey, how's it going? It's Martin Ross, and today we're going to be breaking down Donell Jones. You know what's up. Before we get into it, you know the drill, y'all. Check out Zor's Vibe. Links are in the description if you like any of these samples. Also, leave a like button, leave a comment, let me know what you think. Also, most important, hit that subscribe button, click the bell, and share it to somebody or anybody that you think might like this. So let's break it down. We're going to be breaking it down with Donell Jones. You know what's up. BPM is 103. Key is A flat minor. So we're going to start with the keys. You can introduce a song with a G flat, A flat, but the 1 is a chord, and that chord is a B flat, C, and a E flat. The next is a G flat, A flat, B flat to this chord, and this chord is a B, D flat, E flat, and a G flat. All right, we're gonna do a G flat to an A flat again. This next chord, which is an A flat, B, E flat, and a G flat. Moving on to the next one, which is a flat, B flat, D flat, and an F. Continuing on to the next chord, all right, is a D flat, E flat, D flat, E flat, F, and an A flat. All right, final chord. I like this chord, I really do, which is a B flat, C, E flat, and a G. Okay, that's like a C7 inverted. It's a pretty good chord. It's going to bring you to that loop, to return to the loop. So let's hear what that sounds like. Moving on to the organ, I'm just doing E flat, G flat, A flat, B flat, and I'm just going. Let's hear what that sounds like. That organ is going to be at the very end of the key loop there. It's going to bring it back to the 1. So with the bass, I kind of found my own vision with it, following the root notes of the keys. It's following the keys. The notes that I'm using is a C, G flat, A flat, B flat, D flat, and an E flat. So I'll just play it so you can hear it. Note on the bass, it does not sound too cool by itself, but when I play with the drums, it finds its spot, and I really like it. So I'll play it later so you can understand. For the strings, I have 2 parts. I have my legato, the long stretched ones, and my staccato, the very short, quick ones. And I'm following the chords of the keys. I'm gonna go staccato here. And we won't play the last chord. So let's hear what that sounds like. All right, over here is your staccato. So moving on to the guitar. So for the guitar, I just used E flat a lot, and I kind of just freestyled it. So I don't know exactly. Again, a lot of the stuff I'm doing, I'm just going off what I think feels right. So here we go. So we're moving on to everybody's favorite part, but we're gonna halt here because I've recorded this so many times, like 20 times today, and I'm so tired. Forgive me. But you're not subscribed probably, right? Right? So help me out. Hit that subscribe button, and for all the times to re-record it, just hit the like button so that way we can get that algorithm moving, you know what I'm saying? So that way more people can see this, right? Something like that. All right, let's get back to it. Drums are pretty simple. I have my kick. I have my layered snare to make it thick. So I have 3 snares to kind of make it thick. I have my hi-hat. I have shakers. I added the shakers to kind of fill in blank spots and that famous zap sound. So we're going total 90s with this. So let's hear it. All right, so now I'm going to throw in that bass that I was talking to you about earlier. It kind of sets the tone, man. It makes it feel right. Talking about the bass before we move to the final part. When I was in college and I did 4-part writing, one of the things I noticed was the alto line was so boring. So if you're a musician out there and you're a writer or a singer, or you're an alto singer, you know what I'm talking about. Your lines are so, like, it doesn't seem like it fits. But we take the alto out of the song and it doesn't sound right. And when we throw the alto in, it sounds heavenly. So that's kind of sometimes how it is with the bass. It may not sound right, but stick with it and you'll get a fuller sound like we're about to do now. So we broke everything down. Let's hear what it sounds like. Got that organ in there. Just one part. Remind you to move. All right, we're in the verse. All right, and there you have it. We broke down Donell Jones, You Know What's Up. Man, this was a rough recording. I enjoyed making this song, but I had to do this over and over and over. I don't know what was going on. But anyway, I'll stop talking, man. Just, if you like these samples, check out Zor's Vibes. Links in the description. If you got this far, hit the like button, leave a comment, talk to me. Let me know what's going on. Let me know what you think about this. If you have any questions or suggestions, let me know. I'm reading these things. Hit the subscribe button and click the bell so that way you get updates straight to your device. And most important, share the video. I've ran out of breath and I think I am done. So I want to thank you all for this long journey that I've been on through the ups and downs and continuing to subscribe. We've broken the 4,200 mark. Thank you. Thank you. We've broken that and hopefully I can bring more to you and hopefully more of you guys will subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. This is Martin Ross. Y'all take care.